just open it like this, okay? Allow me to create a session here. And I'm setting up a mock session with 2 fake students, so I don't have to try this out with you and disconnect from you, you know? Now, thank God, I have this student, which is student 6, starting to join, and this is student, how many? Student 5. All right, here is student 6, and everything is good here. Now, just open it with me, please, so you can see the screen. Now, you all can see the screen with me, right? Great. I'm currently coordinating with 2 students. Everything's good with the 2 students. I'm going to come from here. So, thank God, I have a student here. That's student 6, starting to join. And this is student, how many? Student 5. All right, here is student 6. Everything's good here. Now, just open it with me, please, so you can see the screen. Now, you all can see the screen with me, right? Great. I'm currently coordinating with 2 students. Everything's good with the 2 students. I'm going to come from here. In this trial class, can you all see the screen with me right now? Great. I'm currently coordinating with 2 students. I'm going to come from here. Peace be upon you. The sound is gone. The device disconnected me. I'm sorry. The device disconnected me. All right. Let me share the screen again for you. I'm sorry. The device disconnected me. Now, you all can see me. I'm going to go back to the breakout groups. So, can you all see the screen with me now? Good. Great. Now, let's take a look together at the breakout groups. I've just created a trial virtual class in the platform. Right now, I'm a teacher, and there are 2 students with me, student 5 and student 6. As you can see, student 5 and student 6. What should I do? Something with content sharing. I choose the breakout groups. Let me just check the recording first. I'm just recording. No, stop the recording. I need to make sure I'm recording with you all. Okay, I'm going to the breakout groups. What do I do now? I have group 1 where I added student 5, and in group 2, I added student 6. Now, I want to discuss with student 5 only without student 6 hearing us or knowing anything about his topic. What should we do? I'll go ahead and add myself to group 1, so now I'm the coordinator in group 1. All right, for group 2, I'll leave student 6 as is and press the start button. Do you see that? I'm going to press the start button. What will happen? Do you see what's happening? I hope you all can see the breakout group starting. Do you see this part? The breakout groups have started, and he doesn't know anything about his topic. What should we do? I'm going to add myself to group 1, so now I'm the coordinator in group 1. All right, for group 2, I'll leave student 6 as is and press the start button. Do you all see that? I'm going to press the start button. What will happen? Do you see what's happening? I hope you all can see the breakout groups starting. Do you see this part? It's starting the breakout groups. Good. The breakout groups have started. Good. I just want to make sure you all can see this. What did it do? It brought me back to the main room. Yeah, do you see? They brought me back to the main room, 0. Group 1 has 2. Yeah, group 2 has 1. Right now, I'm the coordinator, and I have student 5 with me, and we're just talking and discussing together. So student 6 is there, but in the division, as we say, he has nothing to do with the topic. And now I have something called pause and something called end. Okay, and it tells me that I'm in group 1. Clarifying that as a coordinator, I'm working in group 1, the breakout group that's active. So I've finished and I'm done. What do? I press this arrow, the one that goes back. I press the arrow, all right, and then I can move myself to group 2. So I just move myself to group 2. And now that I've moved myself to group 2, I press the refresh button. Press the refresh button to disconnect. I'm the teacher in group 2. Student 5 is alone in the division, not with us. Finishing in group 2, then I'll return. Now I'll go to group 1 and refresh. It takes me to group 1 and I can move between groups to finish discussions. After finishing, I press end. It asks if I want to stop breakout groups. I say yes, stop breakout groups, and return to the main room. Like now, this is the main room. If I have more groups, I can distribute myself and refresh. Now, I'll go to group 1 and press refresh. Which group will it take me to? Group 1. I can move between groups and finish discussions. After I'm done, I press end. It will ask if I want to stop the breakout groups. I'll confirm, and it will return me to the main room, just like now. This is the main room. I apologize for the device issue. I wanted to trial with dummy students to show this. I could separate with a group now, but it would break the recording, which won't show or help you. That's the breakout groups. He tells me, do you want to completely stop the breakout groups? I say yes, stop the breakout groups completely so that it can start taking me back to the regular main room, just like the regular main room, just like I am. With you all right now, this is called the regular main room. That's exactly what's happening inside the main room. So I apologize for the issue with the device, but I wanted to do a trial. Separation with dummy students, so you can see this part. I could separate myself with a group of you right now, but it would cause a break-in the recording, and that won't show in the recording or in the explanation for you. And you wouldn't benefit from it if I separated myself with a group of you. That's specifically the breakout groups. All right, regarding this part, there's something good. Remember the groups. What are they? Besides breakout groups, there's something important. You can't record them. Conversations inside can't be recorded. When we created a group, added a student, and separated, you'll notice no recording option. The discussion isn't recorded. This clarifies there's no recording in breakout groups. I'm with student 6, and there's no recording. All right, I'll end it now and show you. The conversation inside the breakout group can't be recorded. So when we created a group, let's add the student. I'll be in group 1, student 6 in group 2. When I started and separated, there's no recording. The discussion here can't be recorded. There's no start recording. It's just a discussion, but it's not recorded. This clarifies no recording in breakout groups. I'm with student 6, and there's no recording taking place. I'm going to end it now, and I'll show you here. You'll notice that there's no recording, meaning the discussion between you and the group here. If you click here, there's nothing called start recording to record this discussion. It's just a discussion, but it's not recorded. This is also information for you or clarification that there's no recording happening in the breakout groups. I'm with student 6, and there's no recording taking place. All right, I'm going to end it now, and I'll show you here.